Back again. We're back again to do another simple dinner, but as you know, with a twist. I always spice my stuff up, so this is how I do my dinner today. Okay, here we go. Today we're having pearl barley. We have some pearl barley. This is the ingredients that, like I said, I always do a bit of twist. I don't just do the simple stuff. It's simple but easy. So with the pearl barley today, we have some cherry tomato, some close cut mushroom, red pepper, yellow pepper, some garlic, got some courgette, some spring onions, some onion, some beans, and we have our mixed spice here, oregano, cayenne pepper, some salt, sea salt as you know, and we got our coconut oil, some parsley, basil, and then that's how we start it, and then we just keep going. Okay, so we have a little veggie just stewing there. Don't leave it there too long, it's only just a stew. That's that. We got our barley here, it's going. So you just boil it to your texture. If how you want to get it soft, you boil it to how soft you want it, and then you just strain the water off. Okay, this is it, all finished now. That's the end product. Smelling really delicious there. Ooh, can't ready to tuck in, and you know, I'll just have some salad with that, and that's how we finished that off. Thank you, we'll see you next time.